This is a quick demonstration of VoxAid commands for Claro Ruler. Wake up. Open Claro ScreenRuler. Move mouse up. Faster. Faster. Stop. Tab 3 times. Press Tab. Select Underline. Press Shift Tab. Select Ruler. Tab 3 times. Press left arrow. Press right arrow. Press left arrow 5 times. Press right arrow 8 times. Press Tab. Press Enter. Press left arrow 3 times. Select color. Click OK. Press Tab. Press right arrow 9 times. Press Tab. Toggle shade above ruler. Turn off shade above. Press Tab. Toggle shade below ruler. Close window. Go to sleep. With VoxAid the Dragon Professional add-on, voice recognition just got so much easier.